Go and ask your teachers that question. And in school, I heard nothing but the echoes of the voices of my teachers torturing me with this word. Why waste your time studying? You can't even divide 100 by 5. Go home and send sweet potatoes. I may have the looks of ugly heaven. The calmly voice of honest soul. But that's not what you can see in me. Here's a young girl who needs counsel to enlighten her way, and guidance to strengthen her life into contentment. Honorable judge, friends, and teachers, is this the girl whom you commended